Hello and welcome back to the Oven Cook. Tonight what I'm going to do is some mussels and some king prawns, some tagliatelle pasta, some lemon juice, some garlic, parsley, black pepper and some white wine. I was going to do a white wine sauce, but the ones we bought are already in a white wine sauce. But I'm going to taste it anyway and to see whether it needs a bit more. So we'll crack on. I'm not going to bore you prepping all this. I've already got a pan of water on for the pasta, which has got salt in it and a little bit of olive oil. And I'm going to shed these leaves. Some of them are not that great. These are the last ones from the garden. Some of them are right, so I'm going to get all those off. Some nice parsley. And we'll crack on. So we'll see you in a minute. Cheers. go. We've got our mussels, our king prawns. The mussels had their own sauce. There's a lot of creamy white wine, but I tasted it and it needed a little bit more white wine, little touch of pepper and salt. We've got our tagliatelle pasta, a garlic. I used red peppers because it called for chilli and I don't like chilies, so it got red peppers. And dressed with some parsley and all that good stuff. So this is really, I'll say it every time, but the smell is really nice, and these prawns are really meaty anyway. So thank you very much, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers guys, see you later, bye.